Hey guys, today is Monday, November 27th. Got this beautiful Skycatcher. It's a 2011 year model, only 205 hours on it. I usually don't broker planes, but this is a good friend of mine's plane, and I'm helping him sell it. Like I said, it's a 2011. He has kept it in the hangar ever since he bought it brand new in 2011. Everything on it works perfect, like a brand new one, like you'd expect. You got this custom composite prop, a Macaulay composite prop installed on it. I've flown the plane quite a bit. I've got several hours in it over the past month, and it flies great. It has the Trutrak autopilot system that was installed in 2016. Let's see. Got the Continental 0200, like I said, 205 hours on the airframe and engine. Actually, I think the engine's a little less. The hobs would be different than the engine. It's in the books, but it's gonna be right around 200 hours total time, 205 total time. It's in pristine condition. I mean, every surface is just straight as an arrow. No hail damage. Like I said, it was hangar kept its entire life. No hangar rash, no boo-boos, nothing like that. Just an excellent bird. And like I said, it flies great. That autopilot's just top of the line. I love it. Track's perfect. It's a great flying plane. Hop in and take a look here. There's the seats. Baggage compartment's quite large. There's your logbooks in that bag. Extra manuals for the Garmin, the G300. You got your pilot operating handbook, checklist, and then a pilot-friendly manual. It also comes with fuel tester, or a fuel gauge, fuel tester cup, gust lock, and then he's got also some custom things. He has the ground access port. It also has a plug for if you want to plug in the engine heater, the block heater, and then he also has a heated blanket and a canopy cover and the custom chocks with the tail number. I mean, he got everything that you could get for this plane. He's been really proud of it. It's been a great plane, but he just stepped it up to something bigger. So it was time to sell this guy. Let me move this out of the way. I'm gonna climb in and fire it up for you so you can hear it run. Let's take a look in here. So, like I said, you got the Garmin G300, the 300 system, the G300 system. It's got the PFD and the MFD, both full glass screens. It's also going to come with this iPad. It has through the Garmin GTX 327. He also had the GDL 82 installed, and that gives you ADS-B out. So it is fully ADS-B compliant. ADS-B out through this, and then in through a separate unit. You'll get weather, traffic, everything displayed on the iPad. Like I said, the iPad comes with the plane. The ADS-B in will come with the plane, and everything works perfectly. Actually, this guy right here, the Garmin SL40, was just overhauled or refurbished, and so now it is crystal clear unit, and it comes in, you know, all your radio transmissions are super clear. All right, let's go ahead and get it fired up.
Could you move back a bit? This helicopter.
All right, sorry about the interruption. Had to move the plane. There was a helicopter that was about to depart. All right, let's go ahead and get it cranked up here. Give it a few shots of prime. Bring the Avionics master off. Strobe on, landing light off. A couple more shots of prime. Clear. Fires right up. Close this door. All right, let's bring the Avionics master up. So you can see she runs great. Got your engine right here. It swaps over here when that one comes up. So this gives you your location on the airport. This is going to be your primary flight display, and this is a multi-function display. It gives your engine, oil, PSI, carb temp, amps, oil, and then it'll also give your ground speed. And then, like I said, here's the autopilot here. It comes with the iPad, ADSB in through the Trutrak, and then your ADSB out here. It is 100%. This plane is 100% ready to go. Like, there is nothing you need. Just get in and go. Like, we've made this extremely simple. I'll be happy to chat with you if you want to talk to me about this plane. Give me a call, 903-801-0643. Again, my name's Jared Brunson. Gonna put it on the market today at $81,500. Comes with a 30-day warranty, free delivery, and a free pre-buy inspection. Thanks for watching.